Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauryne if this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm very excited because I'm going to be trying out a new foundation for you all. I haven't done a foundation review in what feels like a long time, but I'm going to be reviewing the Nyx Born To Glow foundation. I've seen Shayneen Too Much Mouth talking about this so much. She wears it in a bunch of her videos, so I wanted to try this out. So if you guys want to watch me do a full review and wear test on this foundation, please keep watching. So this is the Born To Glow Natural Radiant Foundation. It comes in 1 full fluid ounce, and what does it say? Yeah, that's all it says on the packaging. Yeah, Born To Glow Natural Radiant Foundation. I have it here in the shade Sienna. I watched Yuki do a video on it, and yeah, that's the shade that she went with. So it comes out in a pump, like a squeezy tube. I wish it came with a pump actually, because like I feel like you get more control, or it can make less mistakes with how much product you dole out. That looks like it's going to be a good match. I'm going to place it where I want it with my fingers, then blend it out with the brush. My skin knew that I wanted to do a review video today, so of course today is going to decide to act up. It looked so good last week. I don't know what. You know what? I actually know what. Every time I want to do something skin related, my skin starts acting up, but hey, that's real life. You'll see what it looks like on my dark spots and everything. Ooh. Oh wow. I think the color's nice. It doesn't feel heavy or anything, which is very nice. I think this is a really good match. Oh my goodness. I hope I don't get on my, get to editing and think that, it looks bad. So this is what one pump did for me. It covered a lot. Like, I can't see any of my dark spots or acne scars. And I can still see, you can see that it is glowy, which I like, or skin-like. And I really like that, especially with it getting colder today. Yeah, this looks good. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, like my normal routine, and then I'll come back. So guys, this is my face all done. I think it really came together nicely. There was no problem with any of the other products. It looks good, it looks smooth. I don't look cakey or anything, but the real test is going to be how it wears throughout the day. So I'm rushing. I have something that I have to do today. I'm not sure if I might try to make it a vlog. I might take y'all out with me. I have to drop my sister off somewhere. She's going to a wedding over the weekend, so, and then I have some errands to run today. So yeah, I'll be taking y'all with me. I'll see y'all in a minute. I told you I'd be right back. This is my little OOTD. The bomber is from Boohoo. The t-shirt I just did a video on. And my jeans are from American Eagle. Shoes are my mom's. I stole them. They're Felix. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What? You want me to do a wardrobe?
I mean, they don't care about
yes,
you today.
So, don't mind the luggage because obviously
that's
I
not part
wouldn't do that on a.
You hair all caught?
Okay. I'll just do a head to toe thing real quick.
Okay.
The glasses from Charlotte Russe, R.I.P.
Oh, R.I.P. Wow.
Aren't here anymore. The earrings and the top are Dress Up.
Oh,
I love Dress Up Boutique. Shout out to y'all at
Sponsor
Shop
your girl. Come
Dress
on.
Up. Sponsor me, please.
It's like no hashtag not sponsor, really.
American Eagle long jeans. I love them. I love getting denim from American Eagle.
Yeah, and they got the
Mine's great.
extended
The
sizes
curve
and
size.
stuff.
Oh, extended size and yeah, the curve size. So they are awesome. I got the scrunchie at Kohl's. And also the boots.
Good morning. Danae and I are off. She's going to a wedding that I'm not invited to, but that's okay.
I'm not bitter.
So guys, Danae has been dropped, and I decided to stay here in Atlanta and go to this cafe I wanted to try. It's called the Flying Biscuit. So I'm a half a mile walk away, so I will talk to you when I get there. What I get for trying to be spontaneous and adventurous. Like I walked a mile out of the way, like I parked a mile away from where the restaurant was supposed to be. Got there, there's a line around the corner. Like there wasn't a line when I drove past it, but I guess in between when I figured out where to park and getting over there, a line had, piled up, and they said it would be an hour wait. I'm like, I'm hungry now. So I think I'm just gonna drive towards my side of the pond and just wait until the movie starts, because I want to see that last Christmas movie with Henry Golden and Emilia Clarke. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's been 3 hours since I did my makeup. I finished at 10:45. It's now 1:45. So this is what I'm looking like right now. See right here, my skin is acting up a bit. Like there's no lights or anything. This is all natural lighting. But the only thing that it's not like bad yet, but like my nose is getting shiny. But other than that, I think everything looks good. I think it's a good match and all. But let me go in here and eat. I'm hungry. Guys, so I'm back home. I watched my movie, and I will tell you, please save your money. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, I don't even want to get into it. Just save your money. Oh my gosh. But I've officially had my makeup on for 8 hours, I think. Yeah, I think it's been 8 hours, 8 full hours. And this is what I'm looking like. I feel like because it's only like 7 o'clock, I might give it a couple more hours before I take it off, but this is what I'm looking like right now, and it is not really bad. Like, I'm starting to see my smile lines a bit more, and of course my nose is obviously shiny, but I mean, for 8 hours it's not bad at all. So I will check in with y'all one more time before I wash my face and finish up. So guys, I'm back, and I've had this foundation on for 11 hours, and this is what I'm looking like. The only place that is, you know, that needs touching up is my nose. It was very comfortable to wear throughout the day. It looked like skin. I got some compliments while I was wearing it, so that's a good sign. I wore the foundation one other time before, and I noticed my smile lines crease a bit more, but I think it's because I wasn't as intentional about setting the area like I was today, and it looks fine. It didn't crease as much. So I think with this foundation I'm gonna have to be more intentional about setting the area. And my nose, it's no different than normal. I'm sure I could touch this up and get a couple more hours out of it, but I don't usually wear my foundations more than the 8 to 10 hour mark, so this should be good. So if you're looking for a new drugstore foundation to try, I would definitely recommend this. It's only $10, but the only thing is that it's exclusive to Ulta. You can only get this at Ulta or the NYX website, so that's the only thing. So yeah, again, I'm in this shade Sienna, and I think I want to do a comparison video between this and my other favorite drugstore foundation of this year. I keep comparing like the drugstore foundations to this. The L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation, that's been my go-to throughout this year, so I think I want to see how they compare. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around Atlanta today. I had fun. I might try to incorporate this more into my reviews and stuff. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.